body is quite weird. I'll show you an airplane that can transform a robot. Here you got the first one. There's a 4 plus and a 6. And you take this, and a 3, you put it 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. And then you put it like that. This, like this. Then I make the lights and the blaster and the blaster that we can shoot. Like this. Here. Yes. And then you take a yellow piece like this. And here. Wait. I made the yellow. You put it here. And like this, you see it like this. You put it right here. Here like this. Right. Actually, you can put before or after. Together, and then you put it over here. See? So you're going to put it like that. And then a blue piece like this. You put it on like that. So you put it on and then you put another piece here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You put it on like that. It must be like that. You're gonna need 2 of these 2 to put one here, one here. And then you take 2 of these 2 and put it on you take a piece of this, you put one here, and here, and here, it's like this, you put it here, and this, go here, and here. One piece of that, you can find it in Lego. And now, like that, in Lego Power Miners, the big boss fights with 2 men, you take this, you put it over here. Take up the airplane. This is the airplane. So to transfer, you fly, is like that. And here you can attach everything like lights to shine when you fight in the dark, or accessories if you want. But I put nothing because so I'm showing how to just like that. I'll take this from here, take off. For same way. See, actually, this is the version play remote that. So you take open this and like that. You see the blue piece over here? You open it, and you open the purpose, and then you take all, see, you open it, and then open that, and then you press the blue piece like that. This is the back, and this is the front, and this is the back. And here you put accessories, just like I said. And then with the back display, this becomes this. A 2-way that goes somewhere. And it is this. And then it was like that. And here you see your face. Here you can look at like glass, like black glasses. When you retransfer to an airplane, take off the blade, and put it like the wing, and you open the blue piece, you push, and then you do it. And then you can put it. It can be like that. You can spin. This is another mode. This is a special move. You spin it with fast, make a tornado blade. Because you see here, see the back, see this, and you see a hole in here. You put this, join the hole. Let's go with it now. And you spin on the tornado. So now let's get back to the plate. So it's like that. And let's take all the wings. Here the legs. one side is, this side is the normal and the other side is you put accessories. So when you play mode, you take this over here. You put this under here. This, you put this under here. You see here? You put it here. Thanks for watching my video and watch all the videos of me making cool Lego stuff. This is a very cool plan.